Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set any sound to your notification. Simply open your settings, go to sound and vibration, showing it a notification sound. So as you can see, showing it this option, but not showing it to exactly add option. So don't worry. So at first download any sound, open my Chrome browser, go to this site, sound effect, and you just select any sound effect, press on to download. Okay, now successfully download this. Go back, open my file apps, go to audio section. As you can see, I am recently download this sound effect. Okay, I'm just rename. Just rename this, press on rename. Okay, and long press on to copy. Go to internal storage, select list option, and you just find here to notification folder. As you can see, now showing it to notification folder. Press on to copy here. Now successfully copy complete. Go back and reopen settings, go to sound and vibration, notification sound, and I'm recently added this. Just select, that's it.